morning of day 2, and every night, Thursday night, Friday night, last night, I've been getting very intoxicated. But it's good. We're having a good time.
I totally just recorded this whole thing, and I now have to do it again because I didn't hit go. Anyways, I'm doing a panel all on Twitch quality and production value and stuff. It's my second panel. It should be fun. And I'm totally not trying to like sell out any products by like maybe having this on the panel table or anything like that. So if you see this, like, it's just I'm thirsty. Gamer subs. Get it. Yes. So we're starting this panel soon. Second one ever. Should be fun. I mean,
I saw Crash.
Got a pretty packed crowd.
Kenji.
Activator, what's good?
My name is Activator. I guess I'm known for quality in terms of my stream ever since 2015, 2016. I got like a DSLR and I set that up, and I feel like I might have been one of the first to set up a DSLR. You guys had gamer subs yet, dude? It's like keto friendly and no sugar.
It looks delicious.
It is.
Where do I buy
Look
it?
how blue it is, man. Isn't that wild?
Give the folks on the panel.
Where do you want it? Where you want it? Shit, dude. I don't know how to sign anything. What do you mean you don't sign?
And because of that, it's...
There you go. That's my beautiful signature, man. So we did the panel. Went well. It was good. Had a lot of fun doing it. There's a VOD on it. I'll link that down below if you guys want to check that out. And now we're going off to TwitchCon's party. They always have some sort of big party. And today, Blink-182 and some other people are playing on a stage, and it should be pretty wild. Looking forward to it. We're gonna do that now, and then continue the trip. I'm gonna switch over to my GoPro, and we're gonna bring this with us instead of this camera here. So we got the G7 now. And now we're on the GoPro. Let's continue with the GoPro. Let's do it. There you go. TwitchCon 2019. They announced that there's another TwitchCon coming up. It's gonna be in Amsterdam.
In May?
May like 5th or 6th or 7th or something like that. And then they had already announced the TwitchCon next year. Same place, San Diego.
Same time.
Same time, same dates.
No.
25th, 26th, 27th of September. Pretty cool. Good to know.
What you call an icon living? Start a record label, this bitch just did it. Whoa, nylon cover 5 minutes. Whoa, we up too hot in the business. Whoa, about to make a movie independent. Need new trucks independent. I need you to listen to the vision. All your verses felt like dirty dishes. What you call an icon living? Icon.
Somebody broke this off, dude. I don't. What happened, dude? That's weird, dude. That's weird, bruh. How am I supposed to go? Did you guys know that they got these scooters in, oh shit! They got scooters in San Diego. You know, it's cool, dude. It's nice, dude. It's a nice little addition. It's very hard with one hand, so I'm gonna stop recording. I'm probably gonna fucking crash if I keep recording. Okay, bye. Hi. I haven't tried this yet. I'm gonna see if you're waterproof. Okay. So, good luck. We're good.
Did you really just do that?
Cool, dude.
I wish I would have recorded that. That's so good. That's fucking great.
It's over. We did the TwitchCon thing. No! And now we're going home. Well, he's going home. He's going back to New York. I'm going to San Francisco to go see my siblings. This trip's still going. So we're going more.
I'm so tired.
I'm very tired. It's like 6 in the morning.
When love comes in, ooh la la la. Love comes in, ooh la la la.
was kind of loud, but I'm in Oakland, California. I traveled like, it was only an hour-long flight, but I'm here now. I'm gonna go see my siblings, and I'm looking forward to it. God damn, it's loud. There's a whole freeway right here, man. I don't know, a highway, freeway, what's the difference between a highway and a freeway? I don't know. Anyways, we're going out. I'm gonna go see them. Well, this is the apartment we're staying in. We've been here for like 2 days now. Now we're all getting ready to head out. I'm actually here with my brother and my 2 sisters. It's actually checkout day, and so we're checking out. My brother's over here in the kitchen, just, you know, he's chilling, putting together some food scraps and whatnot to take with him on his travels. That's him. You've seen him before. My sisters went to go get their car and whatnot, and I'm gonna go meet my family for breakfast, but it's time to go home. These are my 2 lovely sisters.
Yes, we are lovely.
And they're great.
Yeah, we are.
Anyways, we're leaving for breakfast. Okay, bye. So don't be later than 11:55 on the meters.
Right.
Okay.
Pacific Standard Time. Cali.
Not New York.
Cute. No, Sarah, no. I think it's recording. It's so close.
What you got there? GoPro? GoPro, you got the GoPro.
That's right.
Hashtag Black 7
It is
GoPro.
mine. These are my
I
parents.
didn't know they were so tiny. I always thought they were big monster cameras.
His was the first one.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye again.
Bye.
Enjoy your Uber.
Oh, it is. Fire.
Bye. Good to see you, Pop. Good to see you as well. Love you, Mom.
Bye.
Bye. Love you too.
Dana, hello.
Bye, sister. Love you too, man. Well, that's it. It's time to get on board. It's time to go back to New York. It's been a good trip. But now I gotta go back to the airport. I'm so tired of planes, dude. And we're back. We are back at New York. I'm in my apartment. TwitchCon was mad fun. We also went to San Francisco and I got to hang out with my family for a much needed reconnect that we've been needing for the past years, just years. We've needed to reconnect, and that was a really fun experience to go ahead and reconnect with some stuff that we needed to talk about. And I couldn't have traded it for the world because I love my siblings and we're fucking close. Anyways, TwitchCon was great. You guys are great. I appreciate you guys watching this vlog. My wife was home when I got home, but she was sleeping in bed and I didn't want to wake her up, so I stopped recording, and yeah, that's the end of this video. I gotta get ready to go live again. Thank you guys for watching this, dude. It's been a while since I've done a vlog, and I'll maybe try to do more if you guys are digging me coming back to vlogging. So you let me know in the comments down below, man, and we'll go from there. Do appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe. It helps. I know it's cringy to say, but it helps, man. Anyways, hope you guys have a good one. Until next time, peace out. Dude, have you seen this hair? I'm looking like a gosh darn troll over here, man. This hair is wild. I don't know if I hate it or I like it. I don't know. See, look at that. I look like the Vegeta. I'm over 9,000. Okay, until next time. Catch you guys soon. Peace.